On the 15th of June 2022, the head of the Eastern Air Command had organized a press conference to announce the Union Cabinet's approval of the Agnipath Scheme for the recruitment of youth in the armed forces. The patriotic and motivated young recruits, or agniveers, will be enrolled under respective service acts for a period of 4 years with an attractive monthly package that includes risk and hardship allowances as applicable in the three services of the Army, Air Force and Navy. As per information from the Defence Wing of the Government of India, 46,000 agniveers will be recruited in 2022, of which recruitment rallies to the same will commence in about 90 days. The Agnipath scheme has been designed to enhance the youthful profile of the armed forces and also bring about a transformational shift towards a more tech-savvy armed force, which is a need of the hour. Speaking to reporters, the Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief Air Marshal D.K. Patnaik enlightened media persons on recruitment terms and conditions and also on the various benefits to the agniveers.
Or some of them who could not be staying back, they will get a skills certificate which between the governments and between the departments, arrangements keep being made for their induction also, based on how good the skills that they have got. As far as the leave goes, there is a slight difference as far as a regular entry as well as to these people is concerned. They will get an annual leave of about 30 days per year and sick leave based on the medical advice. During the period that they are in the service, these agniveers, they will be entitled for medical facility at service hospital as well as the CST provisions, the canteen stores department that we give. As far as the release at own request prior to completion of the engagement will not be permissible. However, on exceptional cases, with the approval of the competent authority, like it is there for the present, those who are serving, will also be applicable. Coming to the important point about pay allowances, individuals enrolled under the scheme will get a package of rupees 30,000 per month with a fixed yearly increment. As far as other allowances of risk and hardship, dress and travel allowance will be the same as that is applicable for a regular serving person. Out of this 30,000 rupees, each agniveer is required to contribute 30% of the monthly income as the agniveer core corpus fund, and the government will provide interest rate equivalent to the PPF on the amount accumulated on the fund. On the completion of the 4 years, they will receive a Seva Nidhi package. Their contribution and a matching contribution will be from the government. For example, 30% of 30,000 is working out to about 9,000 rupees. They will be contributing 9,000, so that take-home pay will be about 21,000 rupees. The government, on its part, will also pay 9,000 rupees. So every month, 18,000 rupees is going to get credited to his fund, and over the period, because of the increments which I will come to subsequently, this amount is working out to close to 11 lakh rupees at the end of 4 years. For someone who is not wanting to continue or has for some reason not been selected out of those 25%, he will leave after 4 years with a package of close to 11 lakh rupees in his pocket. And what is important is this entire amount is tax free. No tax will be deducted from this.